Morning, everybody. This is Kerry from the Schmidt House. Today we're out at our property doing a little maintenance, I guess you'd say. We have a deer feeder at our little area we hunt. It's too small, it's plastic, it's got holes in it, and coons, squirrels chew holes in it. It's really a piece of junk. So I've got this old feeder that I used to use. It's metal, there was nothing wrong with it. It was on the other piece of property that we sold. Moved it over here, and it's been laying here for a few years. So we're going to take this one, set it up over in place of where the old plastic one is, or at least we're going to attempt to do that. Probably won't get it going today. Have to get a timer for it and probably change some wires on it. You know, it's been laying out here for a while. Get it all fixed up, but yeah, this one's going to be a larger capacity also. I think it'll hold 350 pounds of corn, where that other one holds maybe 250. So yeah, this will be a little nicer. We'll see what happens here.
Wanting to get in there?
I don't know. empty, huh?
What?
Does it sound empty?
Yes.
We'll have to get it out by hand.
Okay. Oh yeah, they're anchored. They got a. It has a piece of rebar in it over there.
Yeah. We just taking wire cutters.
Let me see. Yeah, see it's.
Sorry about the sunflower.
Oh, that's okay. Hope there's not a big rattlesnake laying down underneath here somewhere. I hope. Okay, this one's out. Oh yeah, they bit a big old hole.
Oh really?
There. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
All that tape and everything. Yeah, that was
What got between that wire though? Oh, they
well,
didn't.
they just have to nail from the
yeah.
outside.
Yeah.
The squirrels and all the tape's all pulled off. Yeah, this wouldn't have gone another year anyways. At least it wasn't full of wasps or bees.
I think we still reuse the timer
And the battery.
yeah,
Yeah.
and the solar panel.
Okay. Good watch out around the camera too.
Got it. I got it.
What are we doing now?
Get it? Get the leg. Got this out. Still got to take the solar panel off, put it on the other one. We'll do that another day. You know, when I was bringing that feeder over here, I always refer to it as the new feeder.
The new feeder?
Yeah, Roger gave me that. It's one that in the raffle, never used it. I was trying to figure out when that was. That was 40 years ago.
Really?
So that feeder has fed a lot of deer for a lot of years.
Gosh.
And it's still in great shape, you know, structurally. I think I replaced the motor in it once. And the timer, of course. But yeah, I was probably 20 years old.
Oh my gosh,
when
that's
he gave me
crazy.
that. Before that, I just had a 5-gallon bucket with a little rod sticking up in it, little washers on it, and you tie a cedar branch to the bottom as the wind blew it.
it would drop out.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And the deer got to where they knew it, and they would come and
Hit the
limbs, so
Yeah.
the corn would fall out. So I need to get that off. This is all mangled. Okay, we're back out here. It's been heck, it's probably been 3 or 4 weeks. So we took the old feeder down and set this other one up. We were going to come back and put a new timer and all that stuff in it, but things happened. We had all the rain here in Central Texas. Everything was wet and couldn't get back here. Then things dried up, and then we had other things to do. So it's just taking us a little while to get back out here, but we're here. And we're gonna put a timer, battery in there, get everything hooked up, and see if we can get it to work, and put some corn in the feeder. You can see everything's gone kind of wild in here. Some of these sunflowers are almost as tall as me. Looks really nice. Once we get corn in here, deer are gonna start jumping in here, and kind of tromp all this down, hopefully. If not, we'll have to come in here and chop some of this down at some point. So, okay, let's get started.
Oh, holy smokes. Yep, it works.
Use a spinner.
I got dust in my face.
Sorry.
That's okay. Okay, we're gonna run a little test, see if it works. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look, it works.
Yeah, put some corn in it, and then get some corn in it, and we'll test it again, see how much it throws and how far it throws it. Might have to readjust the time, but.
I'm gonna stay back a little farther.
Yeah, it needs to go on high speed.
High speed? Okay, I can change that.
I mean, that's about perfect, but I want some to go out.
Farther? Okay.
Well, we got the feeder working. Got a little bit of corn in it, not a whole lot, but enough till we can get some more. Got everything just kind of hooked up temporary. We don't have a solar panel hooked up on it yet. I've got one for it. I just need to come back and put that on there and kind of tidy up some wires, make it look a little neater. And also want to anchor down the legs. I haven't done that. But other than that, another project done for the Schmidt house. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming with us, and God bless.